My name is Sophia Rose. I was going to play a totally badass song for you tonight, but then I thought of this song in the shower, and I thought I had a really good message, so I hope it gets stuck in your head and you can sing it to all your friends, because it needs to spread all over the world. It's called Mother. I'm not gonna stand and watch you kill her, so I'm making it my plan to be her savior. And even though I only have one voice, it don't mean I only have one choice. So I'm choosing to stand my ground. Yeah, I'm choosing to speak up now. And I wanna know why we treating our mother so bad. She gave us life and she's all we have, and we keep on making her feel like shit. And honestly, I won't put up with it. Oh, I don't wanna put trash where trees could grow. I don't wanna make her blue skies filled with smoke. I don't ever wanna make her feel abused, but lately all we do is use her. Use and abuse our mother earth. Lately all we do is use her. Well, I'm not gonna stand here and say I've always known the right way. I ain't even saying I'm good, but I'm watching as our world is withering away, and so I'm doing what I know I should. Are you doing what you know you should? And I wanna know why we treating our mother so bad. She gave us life and she's all we have, and we keep on making her feel like shit. And honestly, I won't put up with it. Oh, I don't wanna put trash where trees could grow. I don't wanna make her blue skies filled with smoke. I don't ever wanna make her feel abused, but lately all we do is use her. We use and abuse our mother earth. Lately all we do is use her. We're using our earth. We're using our mother earth. No, I don't wanna put trash where trees could grow. I don't wanna make her blue skies filled with smoke. I don't ever wanna make her feel abused, but lately all we do is, I don't wanna put trash where trees could grow. I don't wanna make her blue skies filled with smoke. I don't ever wanna make her feel abused, but lately all we do is, I don't wanna put trash where my trees could grow. I don't wanna make her blue skies filled with smoke. I don't ever wanna make her feel abused, but lately all we do is use her. So I'm not gonna stand and watch you kill her, so I'm making it my plan to save our earth. Thank you.